so today I'm going to be showing you all how to get this soft glam makeup. Also, how to get this dewy, glowing, Korean glass skin inspired makeup on my face right now. So let's begin. So all of the makeup that I'm using today to get this look are the products that I got from Sephora Philippines. So I will first prime my face using Benefit's Professional so that I will have a smooth finish later. So I will put that all over my face, especially on my T-zones. And then I will use my tinted moisturizer instead of foundation because I'm aiming for a more natural dewy look rather than a matte full coverage finish. And then I will use that as well to conceal my under eyes. And then I will fill in and outline my eyebrows using my Benefit Browsing. So as I've said, since I'm going for a more dewy look, I'm not using any of my full-on coverage powder, but instead I will be using this lightweight Fenty Beauty's Invisi Matte blotting powder, and I will put that all over my face, and this is just going to prevent my makeup from looking oily later. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes. So I will be using the Suiva palette, and I will use the shade called High Chair, and I will put that underneath my eyebrows, and then I will use the color Industrial Fortune all over my lids using my fingers, and then the color Golden Year on the outer corner of my crease to define it, and then I will also darken that shade using this dark maroon color. And then after that, I'm going to take this golden brown shade and put that underneath my lower lash line. And lastly, I will use the same shade that I use underneath my eyebrows on the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so now I will be lining my lids with my favorite liquid eyeliner from Kat Von D and just create a cat eye. By the way, Globe is having its first ever online beauty fair, so now you can shop the world's top beauty brand and get exclusive deals and discount. You can use the promo code GLOBEBEAUTY to get 10% off your order and get a free Sephora collection mini lip stain for every purchase. And also there's another 10% off promo code that you can use as well and get the same liquid eyeliner that I'm using here from Kat Von D on your first purchase in the Sephora Philippines app. Also, orders above 999 pesos are free of delivery charge. Plus, I like how they have cash on delivery or Gcash payment choices since I always go for those options when I purchase online. Okay, so now that my wings are done, I will put on my false lashes and then I will be right back. Alright, so now that my lashes are on, this is what it looks like. And for my lips, I will be using my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lipstick in the shade called Spanked. And I really like this color because it really complements my skin tone. Alright, so now onto my face, I will be using Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight, and I will put that on my cheeks and my nose and blend that on my skin after. And this is going to give you that natural glowing glass skin. And after that, I will be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Lumiere, and I will put that onto my cheeks for a nice, healthy, rosy cheek look. And then I will be using my favorite Becca highlighter, and then just put that all over my cheeks, on the tip of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, on my collarbones, and shoulders. And this is what it looks like. I have been really liking this makeup look lately because it's super easy to do and it does make you look fresh and your skin look glowing. And also, by the way, if you want to spice up this look a bit, you can use red lipstick as well if you want to. So I'm gonna use this Sephora red lipstick. And I think that this makeup look goes well if you use dark lip shades too. So this is our finished look. What do you guys think? Do you prefer this shade of lipstick or do you prefer the color that I used a while ago? For me, if you ask me, I like both. I just can't pick one. And before I forget, to finish off this makeup look, I will use this beauty elixir to set my makeup so that it will last all day. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below if you want me to continue making more of these makeup tutorials. And as I've said, all the products that I use in my face right now can be found in Sephora Philippines. And also, please don't forget to check out Globe's online beauty fair. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye!